Roman numerals. Rules of Roman numerals. Mathematical calculations using Roman numerals. Roman numerals are the symbols used in a system of numerical notation based on the ancient Roman system. The symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. There is no symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. The Roman numeral I indicates the number 1. Similarly, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500 and M is equal to 1000. There are some rules of Roman numerals. When a numeral is repeated twice or thrice, the value of the Roman numeral is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. For example, M indicates 1000. So if I write MM, it will be 1000 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2000. And MMM will be 1000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3000. Similarly, C is equal to 100, CC is equal to 200, CCC is equal to 300. V, L and D can be used only once in a number. They cannot be repeated. So 10 can never be written as VV. 100 can never be written as LL and 1000 can never be written as DD. I, X, C and M can be repeated together at most 3 times in a numeral. So 1 is I, 2 is II, 3 is III. But we cannot write 4 as III because it can be repeated at most 3 times, not more than that. Similarly, 10 is X, 20 is XX, 30 is XXX, but 40 we cannot write XXXX. If smaller numbers follow larger numbers, the numbers are added. For example, VI, V is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. So here the smaller number I is following the larger number V. So they will be added. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Similarly, XI is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. XV is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. If a smaller number appears before a larger number, then the smaller number is subtracted from the larger number. So IX, X is equal to 10 and I is equal to 1. So here the smaller number I is appearing before the larger number X. So the smaller number will be subtracted from the larger number, that is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Similarly, XC is equal to 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. IV is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. V, D and M cannot be subtracted. 95 is equal to 100 minus 5. 100 is equal to C and 5 is equal to V. So VC. But we cannot write in this way, as V cannot be used in the subtraction operation. So we have to write 95 is equal to 90 plus 5. 90 is equal to 100 minus 10, which is equal to XC, and 5 is equal to V. So we have to write in this way, 95 will be equal to XCV. Similarly, 995 is equal to 1000 minus 5 is equal to Vm. We cannot write like this because both V and M cannot be used in the subtraction operation. So instead we have to write 995 in expanded form, which is 900 plus 90 plus 5. 900 is equal to Cm, 90 is equal to Xc and 5 is equal to V. So the answer will be CMXCV. The symbols I, X or C can be subtracted. For example, IV. V is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So here I is used in the subtraction operation. X L. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Similarly, CD is equal to 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. Here are some examples of how to transfer Hindu Arabic to Roman numerals. Write 339 in Roman numeral system. So first we have to write 339 in the expanded form, which is 300 plus 30 plus 9. Now 300 is equal to 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to C because C is equal to 100. 30 is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to x. 9 is equal to 10 minus 1, which is equal to ix. So the answer will be ix. Another example is write 294 in Roman numeral system. 294 is equal to 200 plus 90 plus 4. 200 is equal to 100 plus 100, which is equal to cc. 90 is equal to 100 minus 10 is equal to xc. 4 is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to iv. So the answer will be CCXCIV. Now examples of Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numbers. Write Hindu Arabic numbers for the Roman number DCCIX. So D is equal to 500, C is equal to 100, so CC is equal to 200, IX is equal to 9. So DCCIX is equal to 500 plus 200 plus 9, which is equal to 709. Write Hindu Arabic numeral for Roman number MCLXII. So M is equal to 1000, C is equal to 100, L is equal to 50, XII is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. So MCLXII is equal to 1000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 12, which is equal to 1162. Addition of Roman numerals. XLI plus XV plus DCCX. First, XLI is equal to 50 minus 10 plus 1 because x is equal to 10, L is equal to 50. So the smaller number appears before the larger number, so the values will be subtracted and I is equal to 1. So the value will be 41. XV is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. DCCX. D is equal to 500, C is equal to 100 and X is equal to 10. So the value will be 710. Now we have to add these numbers. XLI plus XV plus DCCX is equal to 41 plus 15 plus 710, which is equal to 766. Now we have to transfer the number 766 to Roman numerals. So we have to write it in the expanded form, which is 700 plus 60 plus 6. 700 is equal to 500 plus 200, 60 is equal to 50 plus 10 and 6 is equal to 5 plus 1. So 500 is D, 200 is CC, 50 plus 10 is LX and 5 plus 1 is VI. So the answer is DCCLXVI. Subtraction of Roman numerals. CDXL minus CLXXXV. CDXL. CD is equal to 500 minus 10 and XL is equal to 50 minus 10. So 400 plus 40 is equal to 440. CLXXXV is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 30 plus 5 is equal to 185. CDXL minus CLXXXV will be equal to 440 minus 185 equal to 215. Now we have to transfer this 215 to the Roman numeral. So we'll write in the expanded form 200 plus 10 plus 5, which is equal to CCXV. So the answer will be CCXV. Friends, that's it for today's session. I hope the Roman numerals are explained properly. Thank you for watching.